Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR or zip archives on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S using app called RAR. So in order to do that, first of all, we'll need to locate the file that we want to pack into a RAR or zip. So mine are located in TCIM and camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. Now select all the files that you want to pack and press on this plus button. From here you can start customizing how the file is gonna perform. So first of all, let's pick a name. It's gonna be pictures. We need to set up the password for our RAR file, so let's do it with 123. We can show the password if we're not sure that we typed it in correctly, and we can encrypt the file names. And the password is optional, you don't need to set it up. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So next step is to pick the extension for our file, so it's gonna be RAR zip or RAR 4.x. I'm going for the RAR. Here you can delete files after archiving or create solid archives. In the advanced option there will be more settings, and in the options there will be more options. In the comments you can leave any comment about your file, and after setting up everything we can press OK and the files will be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.